Map to Sheets connects your map to Google Sheets, allowing you to leverage the power of Google Sheets to manage your map data. You can add, delete, or update locations on your map directly from Google Sheets. Thanks to the two-way synchronizations, changes made on Google Sheets will be reflected in your Mapme editor and vice versa. You can install the Mapme add-on directly from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Alternatively, open a Google Sheet and go to Extensions menu. Click on Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for the Map to Sheets app. Click on Install. During the installation process, you will be asked to give the permissions needed to run Map to Sheets. Once the installation is completed, in the top menu go to Extension, Add-ons, Manage Add-ons. On the Map to Sheets app, click on the three dots on the top right and select Use in this document. Open the extension menu again, go to Map to Sheets and open it from there. In the Mapme editor, open the API and Security menu. Enter a key name and click on Generate. Copy the API key and go back to the Google Sheet. Expand the Setup menu and paste the key here. Now click on Create. You can close this menu now. In Mapme, open the map you want to connect to your sheet. In the URL, you will be able to find the map ID after story and before info. Paste the map ID in the cell B2. Click on the Sync button to synchronize the map with Google Sheets. The existing locations from the map will come through. You can now begin editing your map in Google Sheets. You can add, edit, or delete locations. At any time, you can click on the Sync button to synchronize your changes. You can publish your map from Google Sheets to make your latest changes go live. And that's it. You can now leverage Google Sheets' power and use it with Mapme. Please reach out to our chat if you have any questions.